All right, we have some breaking inputs coming in now. Fawad Chaudhry, Federal Minister, boasts in Pakistan's National Assembly that Pulwama was a great achievement of Imran Khan government. He said, and I quote, that ghar mein ghus ke mara. This after we saw how the opposition leader Ayaz Sadiq in fact had claimed that the foreign minister at that time was sweating and shivering, begging to return Abhinandan back to India. And this was in retaliation to that Fawad Chaudhry, the federal minister, boasted about in the Pakistan's National Assembly that Pulwama was a great achievement of the Imran Khan government. He stated, and I quote, that ghar mein ghus ke mara, and also in a way stating that they are proud of their achievement of what exactly happened in Pulwama. And this is certainly a huge admission on part of Pakistan that the Pulwama attack was by them, and in their own assembly this time. Fawad Chaudhry, the federal minister, boasting in the Pakistan's National Assembly that Pulwama was a great achievement of the Imran Khan government. He stated, and I quote, that ghar mein ghus ke mara. And we saw how earlier there has been massive outrage. And in fact, before that, we'll listen in to what Fawad Chaudhry said.
कल यहाँ पर बात की, कह रहे थे, पहली बात तो ये है, मुझे तो समझ नहीं आती, अगर आप एक रियासत की एक एक्टिविटी में आपको इज्जत दी गई, आपको शामिल किया गया, आप असेंबली के फ्लोर के ऊपर आप बातें कर रहे हैं और फिर झूठ इतने एतमाद से बोल रहे हैं कि झूठा शख्स भी क्या बात करेगा। जिस एतमाद से उन्होंने आके ये बातें की यहाँ पर कि स्पीकर जनाब शाह महमूद कुरैशी साहब की टांगें कांप रही थी, कह रहे थे हिंदुस्तान हमला कर रहा है। हमने हिंदुस्तान को घुस के मारा है जनाब स्पीकर वहां पे। और पुलवामा में जो कामयाबी है, पुलवामा में जो हमारी कामयाबी है, वो इमरान खान की क़यादत में इस कौम की कामयाबी है। उसके हिस्सेदार आप भी सब हैं, उसके हिस्सेदार हम भी सब हैं। और जिस तरीके से आप आके ये बातें करें और आप कहें ये वो फख्र है जो कि हमारी पुलवामा के वाक़े के बाद जिस तरीके से हमने घुस के मारा हिंदुस्तान को, जिस तरीके से हमने घुस के मारा।
Let's go across to Abhishek Kapoor now for more on this. Abhishek, this is certainly a massive admission, a sensational claim coming in from Fawad Chaudhry, the federal minister, who's boasting in the Pakistan National Assembly that Pulwama was a great achievement of the Imran Khan government.
Well, this is massive, Richa, and this should be taken note of by the International Court of Justice. This should be taken note of by the United Nations. This should be taken note of by the Committee of Nations. This should be taken note of by friends of Pakistan. What they maintain, that Pakistan also is a victim of terror. Now, here is a minister of the army-backed Imran Khan government who's admitting on the floor of their National Assembly that Pakistan had a role in Pulwama terror attack, which martyred 40 of our brave CRPF soldiers. It's a travesty that there are still some nations who call Pakistan their friend. It's a nation that is festering terrorism. It is a nation that is spreading terrorism. And here is a minister admitting to it on the floor of the House of Pakistan National Assembly. I believe there should be some action that should take place. Yesterday we saw how another member in the same assembly indicated that Pakistan got scared with the posturing of India and with the stance that India took on release of Wing Commander Abhinandan. And now we have a minister in the counter to that going on to admit that they had some role in the Pulwama terror attack. Though, of course, later in the second half of the night, I heard he was trying to make a course correction. But then that Freudian slip really speaks of what Pakistan has been doing in Kashmir and India by way of fomenting trouble and terror. And the world community, high time, calls the bluff of Pakistan when Pakistan pushes itself as a victim of terror, Richa.
Absolutely. In fact, Abhishek, stay with us. We listen in to what Fawad Chaudhry said on the floor of the Pakistan's National Assembly, boasting about the achievement of Imran Khan government in the Pulwama attack.
सादिक साहब ने कल यहाँ पर बात की, कह रहे थे, पहली बात तो ये है, मुझे तो समझ नहीं आती, अगर आप एक रियासत की एक एक्टिविटी में आपको इज्जत दी गई, आपको शामिल किया गया, आप असेंबली के फ्लोर के ऊपर आप बातें कर रहे हैं और फिर झूठ इतने एतमाद से बोल रहे हैं कि झूठा शख्स भी क्या बात करेगा। जिस एतमाद से उन्होंने आके ये बातें की यहां पर कि स्पीकर जनाब शाह महमूद कुरैशी साहब की टांगें कांप रही थी, कह रहे थे हिंदुस्तान हमला कर रहा है। हमने हिंदुस्तान को घुस के मारा है जनाब स्पीकर वहां पे। और पुलवामा में जो कामयाबी है, पुलवामा में जो हमारी कामयाबी है, वो इमरान खान की क़यादत में इस कौम की कामयाबी है। उसके हिस्सेदार आप भी सब हैं, उसके हिस्सेदार हम भी सब हैं। और जिस तरीके से आप आके ये बातें करें और आप कहें ये वो फख्र है जो कि हमारी पुलवामा के वाक़े के बाद जिस तरीके से हमने घुस के मारा हिंदुस्तान को, जिस तरीके से हमने।
In fact, there is shock across India as we broadcast the story for the first time. For the first time, Pakistan government has taken credit for the Pulwama terror attack. We'll get Abhishek, Aishwarya, Shavan and all our reporters live as well. This is a very big story. We'll get Abhishek live as well. A Pakistani minister and the Pakistani government placing on record in its parliament that Pulwama attack, where 40 of our bravehearts were martyred, was a direct attack that was carried out by Pakistan. A Pakistani minister is admitted in the floor of the Pakistan National Assembly or the Pakistan Parliament. It's equivalent of the Pakistan Parliament. A Pakistan minister has gone on record, the Pakistan government saying that Pulwama attack was a success of the Imran Khan government. 40 of our bravehearts were martyred. We'll get reactions to the story as well. We'll play that bite once more. We'll play that sound bite once more because it's very important to listen in. A country which for the longest time denied any role, for the longest time denied any direct role in the Pulwama attack of 2019. In fact, many within India as well, including the principal opposition, many within India, including the principal opposition, had questioned and had called it homegrown terror. Shocking. They had earlier called it homegrown terror. People within India had called it homegrown terror. Political parties, including the Congress, had called it homegrown terror. And a Pakistan minister placing on record that terrorists from his country struck in Pulwama and that it was a success of the Pakistan and Imran Khan government. This is unprecedented. In fact, we're breaking the story. Never heard of such an admission. A shameless terrorist state saying and placing on record in the National Assembly that Pulwama attack where 40 CRPF Jawans were martyred was a direct Pakistan operation.